making some scrambled eggs with cheese this morning. I have a lot of early risers in here with me today. Jonah's shredding the cheese, Sissy's washing the eggs. The rocking chair noise you hear over there is Titus. He's over there in his rocking chair.
Sitting there studying on putting that wood stove in. They had it on a winter clearance and I was able to really get
from a hardware store,
yeah.
From a local hardware store, yeah.
Got that at a really good deal, so all I gotta do is put my stove pipe up to the roof there.
I'm going to play Jingle Bells.
On that?
Uh-huh. I know how.
The way you do it is you start singing it.
It finally stopped raining, so we're gonna come let the chickens and Miss Turkey out for a little bit and put them some more shavings in their coop. It is like almost 70 degrees or something, y'all. It's not even cold at all. But look at how much rain. It's just a mess out here. I thought for sure the pond was gonna overflow. Come on out. Hey, Miss Turkey. It's been a rainy one. Come on, girl. We had to put this one in a separate pen for a little while because she hurt her leg. Still a little bit limping on it. We don't know what she did. So we separated her from the other ones, and I'm letting her out. See, Roosty's wanting to be kind of mean here because she's hurt. They don't want her around, so. She got any eggs in there, Cece?
Two.
Okay, she got 2 in there. What do you do when it's too wet outside to ride your bike?
You make a car.
You make a car.
When rains drop on these kinds of cars, they melt.
It melts. We don't want that to happen, right?
Yeah.
We don't want your car to melt. Ooh. Cece's making him some wheels now, and she made him a little steering wheel right there.
It might be it might actually turn into a wheel car.
It might. Don't you be speeding now.
Oh, yeah.
That's one of those slimline cars, isn't it?
Yeah.
Ooh, look at you.
Yeah.
We are cooking supper now. I've got some chicken cooked over here. I'm just going to put it in the KitchenAid to shred it. We're making a Crescent chicken casserole. Over here in this pot we have some butter, and I put a small onion in there. Now we're going to put some carrots. So we're gonna let these onions and carrots cook for just about 3 or 4 minutes. I sliced the carrots really thin so it wouldn't take very long for them to start to get, tender. I'm gonna grab some flour. We need about 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. We'll put some salt and pepper. And I'll go ahead and put the flour. Now we'll coat these in the flour. We're adding 1 cup of milk and half a cup of heavy cream. Thank you, sir. Cream delivery. Once it starts to thicken, which it's already starting, we're going to put in half a cup of mayonnaise. I'm just going to eyeball it. And half a cup of sour cream. Oh, this is smelling good. I'm thinking this is going to be good. Now, we're going to put in about 4 cups of frozen corn. You can use any kind of frozen vegetables though. If you have like, you know, one that has carrots already in it, you don't have to do the carrot part that we did there. You can just use that. Any kind of mixed vegetables or whatever you want to use. I have frozen corn, so that's what we're going to use. Now, it'll take this a minute, but once that corn starts to thaw out, we'll have a more liquidy thing going on. Okay, we got our 9x13 casserole dish sprayed. It's time to add the chicken. I think green beans would be pretty good in here too. I'm using more chicken, so I'm kind of just judging this by what I think needs to happen. So I added in a little more sour cream, and I put just a little bit more milk. Now I'm putting some more salt and pepper, and I think we are good. We're going to pour it into the casserole dish. Since I used a lot of corn, you could almost call this a Crescent chicken corn casserole right here. I hate turning on some air conditioner, y'all, but it's hot in here today. Titus said, don't worry, the cold's coming. I should not have, I started to, when I grabbed this sweater this morning, I was like, I probably shouldn't wear this sweater today, because I knew it was supposed to be warm and kind of stormy. But it said 100% chance of thunderstorms almost all day long, y'all. You know how much thunder I've heard? None. I haven't heard the first rumble of thunder. Okay, Cece's gonna put the crescent rolls on here for us, so let's see. I think we'll try to go this way, Cece. So you just wanna, it don't matter if they overlap a little bit, we're just gonna shape them kind of like a puzzle, you know?
Yeah.
And put them on here like this.
Okay.
Whatever we don't use of the crescent rolls, we'll just put them on a pan and have those on the side. You could get a crescent dough sheet. Okay, Cece's gonna be putting the rest of those on a pan. This is going in the oven for about 25 minutes or until the crescent rolls are cooked through. I think this one's gonna be good.
That's the stuff right there. Slightly. I knew it was.
Just spreading some butter on the top, and then I'm going to let it cool down for about 10 minutes or so before we cut into it. This is outstanding, y'all. Kind of reminds you of chicken pot pie. You know the cream corn that I make? Think chicken pot pie plus cream corn together with crescent rolls on top. It's really good. This one I know will be a winner. You have to push out the little pieces without knocking it over. See how Mama did that? We'll go oldest to youngest. How about that?
Yeah.
Oh, there you go. Do it nice and easy. Very good. Okay. Now it's Manny's turn. Uh-oh, that one's not going, is it? Okay, Mama's turn. Yep.
Just gonna pee.
Okay, Sissy. Oh dear. Oh dear.